Good morning and welcome to another video. Hey girl, hey. Just like I said, make your own wig. Boom. $3.99. This wig ain't even no girl, I'm not spending no grip of money on no wig. I'ma fuck up till I make up. That part. Okay. Now this cap is big head friendly. It's not supportive at all because it ain't got no combs in there, no elastic, none of that. So with that being said, go ahead and sew in your combs if you want to, your elastic band or whatever. Because will the headband support you? Yes, but not all the way. Girl, you try to do some freaky deaky shit, that shit gonna slide the fuck off. You trying to get a fight, that shit gonna slide the fuck off. I don't care. I ain't trying to do neither one. But anyway, so I'm just saying. And this canvas blockhead is a size, it's either 22 or 24. Big head friendly, period. Because I have been getting inquiries. That's how you said it? Inquiries or inquiries? Anyways, about making wigs for people and them people them. So I'm thinking about doing that and whatnot. So, you know what I'm saying? I will make an announcement when I start selling wigs, but I'm just practicing right now while I get this free hair. Because I'm not trying to mess up no good hair. You feel what I'm saying? This bitch head came right off the motherfucking tripod. Anyways, I'm telling her, stay right there. Okay? But anyways, this is some spring twist hair, 7 packs. It came with another crochet tool, hook, as well. Yes, made in China. 7 packs. How many strands per pack? I'm not sure. And I only use 6 packs, but like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and touch up this wig because I think I'm actually gonna wear it today instead of my natural hair. Okay, but it came with 7 packs. You got that the eyelashes and the needle. Do I gotta say anything else? This is not a full-length tutorial. I'm just showing y'all this. Oh yeah, and it came with the 4 little hair accessories right there. I swear I got like 8 or 10 of these because all these companies be sending like, and I think that's good. Like, send me all the supplies that I need to go ahead and make the wig. I ain't never worn them lashes. I might one day. I might just wear them today. Anyways, here I go, right here. Excuse me. I had went ahead and see how you go ahead and crochet it. You have to tie it in a knot. Then you start 2 strand twist. You gotta do left over right so it come out like that. Okay, nice and juicy, loosey goosey, pot that goosey. Not just kidding, but you know what I'm saying. Anyways, I'm just showing y'all the construction of the cap and how I place the hair on there. Now, if you didn't want to have no 2 strand twists like this, like them little kinky twist them, you could have left the hair big like that, but I ain't doing all that. Have a nice big afro. Okay, here we go, y'all. I mean, I don't know how many motherfucking times I had to fix that damn thing. Big ass head. Anyways. Oh, right here, I'm showing y'all these headbands I ordered from Amazon. They nice and soft too. I think it's like a 4-pack. Yes, that's why I speed it up. Because really, I'm just showing you the headbands right here. Like, do y'all even care? If you don't care, scroll on. Scroll on. I want some coffee right now. I ain't about to drive nowhere. You feel me? So how y'all doing? You know, this what, the 5th day in June now? 5th or 6th? I don't know. But how y'all doing? Yup. Hey y'all, we gonna start doing story time over here. Remember that one time at band camp? Becky with the long hair. She don't care. Okay, look at this. I try to put them other bitch. literally what I'm doing throughout the wig process, I'm seeing where other spots I have to go ahead and fill in. Because look right here, like that ain't, no, that was not full at all. But like I said, this is versatile. Oh, excuse me, I'll be honest. Now, what I do recommend, if you like your wig like full, um, it comes with 7 packs, so that's dang near a full head of hair. But if you need more, then that's on you. But it comes 7 packs. Ain't no need for no more hair. So right here, I'm cutting the ends. Cause look how it is. I wasn't about to curl the ends. Look how bouncy they are. Y'all, I didn't put no products on here. None of that. You feel me? Nobody got time for all that. Cause I'll be ready to snatch your wig off and throw it to the side. And that's on per. Okay? Turn your head around. Boom. I'm gonna take it off right there. And I'm gonna come back and show y'all how it look on me. Alright. That last pack, cause it need to be fuller to me. And I probably sew in an elastic band. Yep. Maybe. I don't know. But yes, check out the hair in that. Check out the skin nut. Look at the length. Because you cannot just leave the spring twist how it is. You have to separate it. I separate it in 3 parts. I don't know if I'm gonna do a detailed video of that next. I don't know. I gotta start making more makeup videos because I've been doing a lot of hair tutorials. But if y'all feeling this video, don't be sleeping on me. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Comment down below. And that's on per. Look at my makeup from last night, bitch.